This 2016 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Prism, Manhattan glazed maple interior, sleeps 4, TV, DVD player, self-contained, external shower, stovetop burner, Colorado detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2016 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.